In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print Microsoft PowerPoint slides in the handout format or outline format. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left, go down and select Print. And then on the left side here, you want to select where it says underneath Settings, Print All Slides. Click the drop down, make sure Print All Slides is selected, and then going underneath Slides, it should have another drop down here. You can select what layout you want for the handouts, how many slides you want per page when you print it out, and it'll give you a preview over here on the right side, and each slide will have its own little box. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.